This is the PKOP2-BM Multi-Equipment Rack by Pack'emRacks.com. This rack is designed for enclosed trailer use. This rack comes with 4 hooks, has the beam attachment and the header attachment, like so. Hangs right on the trailer header, like so. The beams are pre-drilled so that it can accept all the different attachments, and you could set that up whatever suits you. And this is the beam attachment to the hook, like so. All the attachments are pre-drilled and can be screwed right to the beam in any position that may suit you best. Also, the rack itself is pre-drilled so it can be screwed to the trailer wall. So we've gone ahead and installed the entire rack into our trailer here, and I put these hooks in a position that suits us best. But of course, you can pick any position that would suit your use best.